Hey guys, all right, we're going to review the letter M that says good. It says for our milk. All right, so let's look at all these pictures and circle. We're going to circle the ones that start with the sound. All right, our first picture is a picture of a mop. Op. Op. Mop. Do you hear at the beginning? Yes, I do too. All right, the next picture is a bat. Bat. Do you hear at the beginning of bat? I don't either. All right, what about oon? Moon. Do you hear at the beginning of moon? I do too. I'm going to circle it. All right, what about at? Do you hear Me neither. All right, what about ask? Ask. Mask. Do you hear at the beginning of mask? Yes. What about r? Car. Do you hear Me neither. All right, guys, check around your house for things that start with the sound.